time,
bringing out
the news,
telling me
another
day is through. Someone slipped and fell. Was that someone you? Now you may have added strength for your courage to renew. Let me tell you, but do not be discouraged. He'll bring peace to you. There is no secret. There is no secret what God can do. Do you believe what He done for us? I've come to tell you He'll do for you. I heard Him when He said, I'll take care of you. There is no secret. When He was hanging on the cross, but I heard Him say, did you see my arms wide open? I'll take care of you. I'll take care of you. There is no secret. When He fell down at the cross, I heard Him say, did you see my arms wide open? I'll take care of you. I'll be back, boys, don't worry. There is no secret.